All right, you're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. I'm going to quickly take you through our Omicron case tally. We're looking at so far in the country. Cases of Omicron only on the rise here. Delhi on top with the most number of cases at 236 cases in Delhi alone. And then we're looking at Maharashtra with 252 cases of Omicron. And then Rajasthan at 69. We're also looking at Gujarat now at 97 cases of Omicron, 65 that's been reported from Kerala. Well, Mumbai has witnessed the biggest COVID spike in the last 7 months. In fact, the city has reported 2,510 fresh COVID cases and one death on Wednesday, a staggering jump of 300% in its COVID tally since Monday has been reported. Maharashtra is the second in the Omicron list. It has reported a total of 252 cases of new variant in the state. Now, as fear of the third wave looms large over Maharashtra, the state government has now imposed stricter curbs. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai until January 7th by next year. In fact, citizens now have also been advised to stay at home and celebrate New Year's muted. No party and large gatherings are allowed in wake of rising cases. Citizens above the age of 60 and below 10 years are suggested not to step out of home unless necessary. The state government has also asked the citizens not to crowd famous tourist spots like Gateway of India, Marine Drive and also Juhu Chowpatty. The only ray of hope now for the state government is that COVID fatality count has not gone up and there is no jump in reported hospitalization numbers. All right. India Today's consulting editor Rajdeep Sardesai spoke exclusively to the COVID task force member Dr. Shashank Joshi on Mumbai's Omicron surge. Let's have a listen.
Dr. Joshi, you're at the heart of it. Mumbai registering more than 2,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Is this cause for worry or are you optimistic because hospitalizations remain low?
This is a cause for concern and caution. There is no need to panic. Clearly 2,500 cases. Look at the doubling time. In the doubling time has been only 4 days. From 600 cases to 1,330 plus cases yesterday and from 1,330 to 2,500 cases today. So, and all cases are mild and hospital infrastructure is not at all dented. Which means indirectly, even without a genomic sequencing, the Delta has been in Mumbai more than 80% replaced by Omicron. No question asked about it. It is a clear-cut diagnosis there. And therefore, Omicron is a milder strain. Hospitalizations are less, severe disease is less, mortality is less. And let us hope and pray that the entire Delta is fully replaced by Omicron, which is a milder disease. Only thing is the numbers are huge and we can still dent it.
But can I get clarity, doctor, from you? You're telling me that this rise is driven largely by Omicron, even without the genome sequencing, you're telling me that?
Absolutely. Because if you have 2 times doubling going up in a span of such a short duration of 4 to 5 days, the data is overwhelming and clear-cut that this is Omicron. So I can bet my last bet on it that when they do the genome sequencing, 80% or more will be Omicron. There is no question asked. This is a clinical diagnosis.
Okay.
It is mild disease. Hospitals are not overwhelmed. We are seeing more than 2,500 cases per day. And still, in the hospital system, this is not Delta for sure. This is not Delta derivative for sure. This is Omicron.
Okay,
and there is a community cluster outbreak in Mumbai for sure. Third wave in Mumbai has started. No question asked.
Third wave in Mumbai has started, but you're saying the symptoms are mild and it's being driven by Omicron.
On Wednesday, 3,900 COVID cases were registered in Maharashtra, out of which 2,510 cases were reported just from Mumbai. Doctors are saying that it's due to Omicron that these cases are rising in Mumbai. There is a complete ban on parties on the New Year's Eve in Mumbai. But what the health minister has also pointed out that given the positivity rate which is rising alarmingly, there can be more restrictions in the coming week of January if the cases continue to rise. The BMC says though the cases have increased, but the hospitalization has not increased that much. There are mild symptoms to people who are suffering from COVID disease and the recovery days is about 6 to 7 days. With camera person Vijay Desai, Mustafa Sheikh for India Today.